Residential, well, that's a lot to talk about, but what's happening to commercial space? That's also an important part of the real estate market. Are there any takers for office space in the country, at least in the top metros where all the activity is concentrated? Mayura Mantri pieces together some numbers which tell you what's going on.
Companies are shying away from investing in office spaces in India. Reports from property consultants say that office space supply fell 40 to 50% during 2011 in the top 7 cities in the country, a clear sign that developers are taking it one step at a time.
Economic meltdown and recessionary news starts coming in, the outlook for commercial has become even more weak, and last 2 quarters the sales have come down. And as such, the industry is having very enormous inventory all around, whether it's in Mumbai, NCR or elsewhere. And you are seeing a lot of builders who had earlier thought about making commercials are converting into the residential.
A report by global property consultant CB Richard Ellis says vacant stock, weak global economic cues and high input costs are forcing most builders to put off project completions. In the top 7 Indian metros, around 30 million square feet of prime office space entered the market in 2011, against 55 million square feet the previous year, while absorption fell from 32 million square feet to 28 million square feet. With inventories at 50 months, property experts warn that the situation may not ease for the next few quarters.
Overall, the market has been flat. If you see the office rentals since last 2-3 years, they have declined. But since last 6-9 months, it's been flat, and it's expected that they'll remain flat. In some markets, the rentals may come down marginally, where the supply is incredible.
Data indicates that supply has increased in NCR, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. Builders claim that while multinationals, banks and large IT companies are staying away, demand for smaller offices is on the rise.
IT parks demands have a little slowed down, but India is a land of entrepreneurs. So there is a lot of demand by enterprises which want to start up or a mid-level. In Mumbai, we can see this is a, if your purely commercial building is there, we can get good customers if the floor plate is smaller.
Prices are likely to remain flat for the next year as the global economy struggles to gain more confidence. In the meantime, investing in office spaces will only make sense for those looking at a longer-term horizon of at least 2 to 3 years. Mayura Mantri and Ruchira Sharma for NDTV.
So, we've been looking at various markets in residential and seen that at all points, residential hasn't cracked in a big way. There's a lot of demand for it, but this story has a different picture for commercial. Commercial seems completely flat, Samir, across 7 metros.
Yeah, commercial, we're not insulated from the globe anymore, and till the global issues don't go away, commercial is not going to improve, because most of the offtake that is happening from companies coming in from abroad and opening new offices
and abroad isn't doing too well when it comes to Europe and US. Okay, so looks like the commercial real estate market is going to be flat for some more time.